In this video, I wanted to give an honest review of HelloFresh subscription service, which is basically a subscription service for food and meals being delivered to your door, and then you still have to cook them, but it's fresh foods, vegetables, meat, you name it. And I wanted to share with you guys my honest review of ordering 4 meals in my first box and showing you guys how it turned out, walking you guys through the process, and basically how it worked for our family of 6. And long story short, we actually liked it, and we're going to go ahead and order our second box of 6 meals this time, from 4 to 6, and we'll let you guys know how that turns out. I'm also going to talk about like the cost of everything with HelloFresh, as well as kind of like the weird marketing that they have for like the 9 free meals that they promote all the time, and kind of walk you guys through that. But overall, I would highly recommend it. Just make sure you know that you're subscribing to a subscription service, which you can then cancel a week if you needed to, but just eyes wide open. Promotion is really just a discount on your first few boxes. Here are some of the things that I will mention. The packaging was really insane. Everything had a package to it, so I felt like it was a lot of like environmental waste with it. And I know a lot of the things that they said was like, it's recyclable, like the box was recyclable, the ice pack was recyclable, like all these little things kind of add up though. Like all of the packaging it just made me feel like it wasn't environmental friendly. I know it probably is, but I honestly thought that there was way too much over packaging. I did appreciate the convenience, so it's almost like this trade-off of like convenience over environmental sustainability. So that was a concern for me. There are a lot of people that trash the service just because, you know, you should be able to pick your own foods and like go to the grocery store and get your own meat and get your own like ingredients, and I just don't have the time, especially with like everything going on in the world with COVID and all that, and times changing with the kids' school, as well as just doing 2 drop-offs and having 4 kids. It's just insanity. And so I feel like this is a lifesaver in the fact that, number 1, I'm not feeding kids like overly manufactured foods. 2, it's teaching me how to cook. And 3, the meals are being brought right to my doorstep, which I know it sounds really lazy, but in this time of my life, in this phase of my life, I just need that because being able to have foods just right there and allowing me to cook and provide fresh foods to my family, it was really, really important to me. I've heard a lot about HelloFresh. I actually get a lot of their pamphlets and emails in my inbox, and I haven't had the chance to try. But my mother-in-law introduced it to me and said that they've had great success with her and her husband, and so she thought really highly of it. And so what I wanted to do was try it out for ourselves, knowing that we already had a family member who tried it and loved it. And so what I wanted to do was kind of share with you guys our experience as a family of 6 using HelloFresh. And I've got, you know, 2 adults, me and my husband, as well as 4 littles. The ages are 10, 8, 5, and 3. And so what I'm going to do is show you guys the meals that we ordered, as well as kind of walk you guys through over the course of the next week or so what we think about each of the different meals that we chose. I'm going to show you guys exactly the meals that I got, and when you open this, the actual menus are at the very top, and so I'm going to show you guys what I got. The first one is the lemon thyme pork, and it has like zucchini and garlic rice with it. And then I got the seared steak with demi reduction with garlic, mashed potatoes, and carrots. And then I got tiki masala, and then the pineapple flatbread. And so those are basically the meals that I chose, and it shows you exactly what you need to do on the back side. Go ahead and show you guys. So I've got bag 1, and it says pineapple flatbreads. Okay, so that's what's in there. And then I've got the seared steak with demi reduction in this one. Alright. And then I've got the lemon thyme pork in this package. And then the chicken tiki masala in here. Alright, so then I've got, it says here, don't forget about ingredients which may be hidden underneath the ice. Okay, so there is a package of ice here. Okay. Alright, so we've got the steak, the pork cutlets, the chicken breast strips, the pork cutlets, and then the beef steak. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the ingredients in here to make sure it's all there. So the lemon thyme pork. Okay, so so let's see what comes in this package, because I want to show you guys what is in there. And I want to see where this all fits in there, because obviously, like, these weren't in the bag. So I've got the zucchini, the 2 zucchini. Okay. I've got the 2 lemon. This lemon kind of looks kind of gangly. It has like some, I don't know. It's got some blemishes on it. Okay. Ooh. And then I've got the thyme. And then I've got the cup of rice. 2 cups of rice. And then I have the chicken stock. Okay. The sour cream. It's all in there. And then the garlic. Again, looking kind of gangly there, guys. All right. So then after that, I think I need the pork cutlets, which are right here somewhere. All right. These are the pork cutlets for tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and cook these tonight and let you guys know what the kids think. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put everything in the fridge and make room for all of it. Again, 4 meals for the week, and normally on Wednesdays we've got like dance and all that. And so obviously we'd probably not be cooking this and probably eating out, most likely McDonald's, but don't judge me as a mom. So I know that generally it's about 4 meals that I can cook on any given weeknight. So we just finished cooking our 4th meal, and now I can actually give an honest review of each of these different meals as compared to the entire weekend in which we actually ate all of their foods. So we got it delivered on a Friday and basically cooked each one of these meals for either lunch or for dinner. And so I'm going to share with you guys what I thought about each one real quick at a high level. So the 4 meals I got, I tried to pick things that were really easy and simple, as well as making sure that like the kids would actually like it. And so I tried a variety of things. I also had a list from my mother-in-law that she liked, and so I picked based off what she had and what HelloFresh had on their app. And so this thyme pork was the first one that we made, and we actually had leftovers on this, which is great. And the rice was actually really delicious and flavorful. Like they showed me a different way to prepare rice, which was interesting, which included butter and adding garlic, and it was actually really, really flavorful. As part of this, I actually learned a lot about different things I could do to kind of flavor up some of the more simple meals, which is great. Just a quick review. So we got this pizza, which is the barbecue pineapple flatbread. This was really good, except the fact that I actually burnt the flatbread just because I wasn't watching it, but it was actually really good and flavorful. The kids actually didn't really like this one, but my husband and I loved it. Seared steak with demi reduction. The steak was okay. It wasn't like the greatest cut of meat, but it was actually really good and simple and easy to make. I loved how they did the carrots with the honey. Directions were really easy and simple to do. So this one said 45 minutes, but it took a little bit less than that, which is awesome. I always love a quick, easy meal. Then we actually just had this a few minutes ago, and it was absolutely delicious. It was really flavorful. The kids also loved it, which is great. It was actually overall really good. I thought it was really, really flavorful, and so did the older kids as well. For 4 meals with 4 servings each, it was around $70 with the discount, and normally it's around $100 and some unless you decide to add some of the gourmet meals, which then would be like $7 each, I guess, per meal. But what we decided was not to get any of the extras, and it was actually a really good price with the discount. So if it wasn't with the discount, it turned out to be about $4.50 with the meal. Again, I was serving 4 meals per HelloFresh to 6 people because I had littles inside my house. It worked out because the littles were kind of able to kind of share a portion, and the bigs were also able to share a portion. So that's how it worked, and we actually had leftovers after the fact. In terms of serving portions, it was actually average size. My husband and I tend to overeat, so it was actually the perfect portion size, which was great just so that we could like limit our intake, obviously, because we don't want to overeat. And so the portion sizes were exactly the right amount. It's not extra, but it's also not like they're like leaving things out. It's the actual portions that you should be eating as a human being. So I thought that was also refreshing, and the fact that I was cooking with like fresh ingredients and all that was an extra bonus. There wasn't a lot of like pre-made things except for like the sauces on both the tikka masala as well as on the seared steak. which is not too bad considering that I don't have any leftovers like in the fridge really, as well as no leftover ingredients I have to figure out what to do with next week. I know that I feel like I could probably get the same amount of ingredients at the grocery store for a lot less, but I just feel like it's really easy. You're paying for the convenience and the recipes, which is great. I prefer the app better than the website because it's just easier to scroll and kind of choose what you want or don't want. The app also has like this recipe book, I think, where you can save your favorite recipes. The benefits of HelloFresh honestly isn't the cost, it's the fact that people are preparing the right amount of servings for you, the ingredients are showing up at your doorstep, and so you're basically paying like a 25 to 30% premium over your grocery bill to have it all delivered to you, and also making sure that you're eating the right portion sizes. You're also, on top of that, learning how to cook as well. HelloFresh allows you to kind of try recipes that you may not have tried before. Also teaches you some subtle cooking tips, which is also great. The meals that you get to choose from, I mean, it's a very limited amount. There's about 15 to 20 meals that you can choose from for a week. So if you didn't like some of them and you're kind of stuck, you could either skip that week, or you can choose something that you might not like. You also have the ability to add an additional meal for a less expensive price if you wanted to. My next meal will be 6 meals for the week, and so I feel like I'm kind of sold on this, 8 out of 10, and so we'll see what the next subscription box brings, but I definitely would recommend it just to try out to see if it'll fit with your family. If you're always working, don't have time to go to the grocery store, or just don't want to think about meal planning or meals or going to the grocery store and trying to line up the ingredients, this is actually a really, really great option. Again, you're paying a premium for someone to pick out your groceries for you and then send them to your doorstep on a weekly basis. And that's really what you're paying for, so just make sure that you keep that in mind when you are choosing HelloFresh. If you want to try out HelloFresh for yourself, go ahead and look at the description box. There is going to be a link there, and the way that they promote it is that you get a few free meals to try out, which actually means that you're getting a discount off of your first few boxes. The shipping is about $8, so just be aware. For instance, my free meals for my first box was actually a $70 deduction on my credit card, which is fine because they were giving me like around a $30 discount. So just be aware when you're signing up for the subscription box, you're actually getting a discount on your first through fourth subscription. So just FYI there. If you guys like videos like this for mom hacks and parenthood hacks, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button, and if you guys click on the like button, that means that the next time I get another HelloFresh box, I'll go ahead and do another video just so that you guys can see the variety that HelloFresh has to offer to you guys. Alright, thanks guys, take care.